Hey there, we're back again with another video to guide you through your pool and spa construction journey. Today, we'll be tackling the question, what are some other factors that I should plan for? So, let's dive right in. Have you ever wondered about the role of permits in pool construction? Well, they're key to ensure that your pool aligns with safety protocols and regional building standards. Factors like pool depth, safety features, fencing, and proximity to property lines and structures are all considered. So, when planning your project, remember that acquiring the necessary permits is as important as choosing the right tile color. Next up, small access. Does your property pose a logistical challenge due to limited access? Well, don't worry. It might require some additional planning and potentially specialized equipment or manual labor, but rest assured we've seen it all and we're here to help you navigate those narrow passages with ease. Rocky soil? Yep, that's something else that we've dealt with quite often in our LA County projects. While it may require some advanced equipment and extra labor hours, our team of professionals are experts at handling these geological challenges without breaking a sweat. Do you live on a hillside and you're dreaming of a hillside pool with a panoramic view? Well, it's definitely doable, but it requires extra attention due to factors like slope stability and soil management. But don't worry, we've got you covered there too. We can help ensure that your hillside pool not only provides amazing views, but also meets safety standards. Have you ever heard of caissons? They're deep shafts filled with concrete and reinforced steel. Installing them can be a game changer, especially for properties with unstable soil or steep terrain. Yes, these do require specialized equipment and expertise, but again, they're worth the investment for the longevity of your pool. And are you wondering if you might need a retaining wall for your project on a slope? Well, it's definitely something to consider. Retaining walls are crucial for managing soil movement and ensuring stability. While the construction of a retaining wall may add to the overall project cost, it also adds peace of mind knowing your pool is built on a firm foundation. Safety is our top priority, and that includes pool fences and door alarms. In line with safety regulations, especially in areas like LA County, the construction of a pool or spa requires the installation of a pool fence or another safety barrier. These additions are essential in preventing unsupervised access to the pool, especially for children and pets. It's an investment in safety that we can't overlook. Did you know that easements can impact where you build your pool? Easements are legal allowances for other entities to use part of your property. Knowing where these are located before starting your project can save a lot of time and potential complications down the line. We can help you understand these factors better. And last but not least, if you live in a community with an HOA, make sure you understand any regulations they might have about pool construction. This can impact several factors of your project, from the size to the location. And remember, we're always here to help navigate you through the rules and get your project approved. Those were some of the factors to plan for when embarking for your pool or spa construction journey in LA County and the surrounding areas. As always, we're here to help guide you every step of the way. Until next time, happy planning.
If you have any more questions or concerns about anything we've talked about in this video, contact us today and we'll find out what the construction process looked like for your custom pool by going on to jdesigns.com and booking an appointment.